Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get Uber Eats promo code. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open any browser and search in browser Uber Eats promo code. Okay, and then you need to open the first website. Here you can find the latest coupon codes that are valid and you can use easily. So here you can see that 2023 April exclusive. Simply click on show more, and here you can see the detail and click on view coupon. And after that you can see this coupon code. You simply need to click on copy and you need to visit Uber Eats and you can apply that coupon code. You must read the description of the coupon code before applying. So here you can see the description. Let me show you. This is the minimum price range, minimum purchase applicable to, and terms and condition. So this is the process by which you can get Uber Eats promo code. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.